Assalamu alaikum dear students. I am your teacher of computer. My name is Kinza Shokat. As you know, we are going to start our unit 3, that is about how does a computer work. So first of all, uh, what is the meaning of what does a computer, how does a computer work? Basically, computers working is just like a working of machine, that we have to put some input in the computer and then computer process that information or instruction, and after processing, the final product or output came in front of monitor screen. Here in this pic, our system unit is shown in front of you, that is our CPU, then input devices, keyboard, and output devices, printer and monitor. So the working of computer is all depend on these basic units: system unit or monitor or keyboard. Computer needs some instruction or command to process the information, and then after processing, the final product is shown on the monitor screen. So dear students, computer needs some command can be of could be of any type. We can give, or we can provide the command of multiplication, subtraction, addition, or either we can give the command of paint window, and after the command we can draw some pictures, or we can made a poster on that MS Paint window. After the command or input, processing starts. If we have to add two digits, 2 plus 2, and we put some command with the help of our keyboard, and when we put command, then processing starts, and after processing, final product or output came from the computer. As you all are watching that 2 plus 2 is equal to 4, so we have put the command 2 plus 2, and processing starts, and at the end we got our final result of output, that is 4. So dear students, we need to put input in the computer, or we need to provide information to the computer for processing, and then our final product is our output. It means how does a computer work? Computer works in 3 steps. What are these steps? First is your input, second is your processing, and third is your output. So here's an example of working of computer as a machine. So computer is just like a machine, and you have to consider it like a machine. So here is an example. First of all, you have to make orange juice. Okay, consider it that you have to make orange juice from oranges. So you put oranges in juicer mixer. You need a juicer mixer for that. All right, then you put oranges into the juicer. After, your oranges are basically your input, that you need to provide put input to juicer or mixture, whatever the machine you are using. After providing input, then juicer mixture is going to start processing, and when juice is ready, that is your output. For example, you have put the oranges and juicer mixer, and after processing juicer mixer, after working in the juicer, you got the glass of juice, and that is your output basically. So machines perform their functions in 3 steps. as it is cleared with the example that we need some input, then processing, and then after processing we got our desired output. All right, students, the data or any kind of instruction which we provide to computer is our input. As we have already discussed that whatever kind of information, command, addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, what kind of command we provide to computer, that is your input. We provide instruction or input through keyboard. That's why keyboard is always called an input device. What is saying that we provide instruction or input through keyboard. That's why keyboard is always called an input device. Processing in computer is done by central processing unit, and that is also known as CPU. Processing is always done by central processing unit, CPU. Then it came with output. Output is always shown on our monitor screen, so monitor is known as output device. Monitor is always known as output device. Here is input device, that is keyboard. What is the function of keyboard? It is used to give command to the computer. All right, it is always used to provide command to computer. That's why it is known as input device. Here is the picture of processing unit or CPU. Processing is always done by our CPU. Whatever the command is, whatever the instruction is, whatever the information is, processing is the function done by CPU. CPU is abbreviation of central processing unit. Here is your output device, that is your monitor, and whatever result is there, it is always shown on monitor screen. So students, this is your input device that is used to provide information information or command to computer. Or this is your processing unit that is always process your command or information. This is your output device that always show your output. All right, I hope you had enjoyed your lecture. Thank you so much, students.